What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Wheelchair EDC. I am Roland. It is that time again for my Monterey County CCW Renewal. In this video, I'm going to be going over how to do it through the Monterey County Sheriff's mobile app. This is what you're looking at right now. This is the homepage of it. I like the app. It's very convenient. The nice thing about it is you can do it from anywhere instead of having to go through your browser on your phone or going through, computer or tablet or something like that. The app is pretty cool. When it came out, I think, before my last renewal. I didn't use it then because it was a little bit buggy for the renewal process. When I tried doing it, it kept crashing. But since then, that was, over 2 years ago. Since then, they've really fixed it and it works really good now. I haven't had any issues with it. So, I definitely recommend if you guys don't know that they have an app. I'll show you guys how to download it right here in a second. This is just a screenshot of what the dashboard looks like, or the homepage looks like for it. So, yeah, just to download it, go to I'm on iPhone, so go to your app store and just type in Monterey County Sheriff's. I already have it up, but I'll back out and show you, just type in Monterey County Sheriff's. It should be the first thing that pops up, and, you guys can see it has the Monterey County Sheriff's badge, icon. It's free. There's no charge for it. This is what it looks like. The reviews are kind of low on it, but that was back then, and I don't think anyone's downloaded it since. But going back into it, this is the app. It's nice because on top it tells you who our sheriff is, and it has the picture of them on the middle left, the picture of the woman. That is our new sheriff. Well, she's been in office for a little bit. That's Tina. She's pretty cool from what I've seen so far. But this app offers you a lot of information if you guys want to keep up on stuff with the sheriff or with the jail or patrols or even just random daily logs that happen around your area. You can check all of that from this app. You can check on inmates to a certain extent. But yeah, this is what the dashboard or the main page home screen looks like for the app. But what we're going to do is click on the bottom left, the little gun icon that says CCW. It's going to take you to this page. If you guys want to pause and read, go for it. With my dyslexia, reading is not my friend. But we're going to click on the Apply tab. It's going to bring you to this page. This is the same page as what you get on the browser, just it's set up in mobile form. So, like I said, if you guys want to pause and read all this, go for it. But once you're done reading this section, you're just going to scroll back up and you're going to choose between, if you're doing an initial, your first time applying for a CCW, you click on that little icon. It's going to take you to that page. You're going to fill that out. It's going to be your name, your pretty much all your criteria. Then you're gonna have to upload all your documentation to that. The same thing for the renewal. You're gonna do your 4-hour class, upload that, all your credentials, like what you're gonna see right now. Or you can do your duplicate or modification. Those are the other two tabs that you can pick from. So each page is always gonna have this blue text box. It's the same for every page. And then when you scroll down, as you guys see, it's going to be your little agreement statements that you have to agree to. Just saying, like, you can't lie on this. You're abiding by what they're saying. All this information that you're inputting is true, and, all those things. So, like I said, again, if you guys want to pause on each one and read them, go for it. I will try and link the app down below. And I will link the web browser page so you guys can see and get all this for your guys' selves. But once you agree to all those, it's finally going to take you into the application, and you can start filling it out. So the first section is going to be your name, your full name, marital status, your social security number. Just type all that stuff in, and then the next section is going to be your current concealed carry permit, your CII number, and your expiration date. Then your aliases, your driver's license info, or your ID card info. Then it's going to be your birthday, your citizenship, military status. Then your race and God damn it. Moving on. Your physical stuff, your contact information, so your phone number, your email address. Your email address is going to be used to set up your account info, and you're going to make a password. So that's going to be what you use to log in to check your status of this. This is just the requirements for the password. Then next section is going to be your current address and how long you've been at that address physically. And then your employment status. If you've been at a previous address, you just fill this section in right here. I don't remember what exactly the time frame is, but this section is your weapons, your firearms. So you're going to add, you can only have a maximum of 3 still for Monterey County. You have to input make, model, caliber, and serial number for each weapon. And then that green box is where you upload your photo ID, your proofs of residency, and your certification, your 4-hour class, and your social security card, which they don't tell you until you get the email after. And then it was your payment fees. You'll see the payment fees here in a little bit. And then you scroll all the way down here to the bottom and you do your electronic signature. On the mobile app, it is a little bit hard because of how small it is, but you can get it done. As you see, you know, I tried my best. You're going to click continue, and then it's going to bring you to this next page, your second page of your application. Again, if you guys want to pause and read all this, usually the blue boxes are all about the same. But it's going to bring you down to this questionnaire. You just, you know, answer yes, no. If you've had any contact with law enforcement, for what reason, stuff like that. And then question number 5 is you understand, you agree. That little box, you set up your, not your signature, but your initials. And then coming down all the way to the bottom, your electronic signature again. And you submit the next page, or you submit again. You come to the next page, which is going to be your payment page, which, as you guys can see, my payment for the renewal total for the sheriff's department was $102.17. That is not including my $120 for my class, my 4-hour class. But you input your card information. Yes, they do charge a fee for using your card, but after that, you're done. They're going to send you an email confirmation with your your order number. You use the order number, your email address, and password that you made earlier, and that is how you log into this page through the app or the web browser. You can do it through both, and that's going to show you the status of what your permit is. So when it's in processing, when it's finalized, whether you're approved or denied, they will call you and send you a text message and an email. They'll send you all 3 on the update, whether you're approved or denied, whether you're your first time, your initial, or your renewal. The renewals go a lot faster. It's funny because I recorded all this last night. Today is October 4th. I recorded this video. I did my permit. Excuse me. So I did my permit October 3rd at 10 p.m. when I recorded all these clips. I recorded it, submitted everything at 10 p.m. and I got the phone call the very next morning, October 4th at 7:30 a.m. I got the phone call, the text message, and the email saying that I was approved 9 hours later, which is very quick. I am very surprised that it got done that quick. So I am going to be picking up my permit, my new permit, which thank God they made it into a hard card, like a Visa card, a debit card, or like your driver's license. It's actually a physical hard card now. It's not the printed out soft copy that we had before, because that was just a pain in the ass trying to keep neat. You can't bend it, you can't smudge it, you can't get it wet. It was just a pain in the ass. I'm glad they finally updated the system to hard cards. But yeah, 9 hours from the time I submitted my application, uploaded all my info, paid my fee, to the text message that I am approved, the phone call that I am approved, and the email confirming that I am approved. 9 hours, which is very quick, guys. My last renewal, it took almost exactly 2 weeks. It was a week and like 5 or 6 days, so pretty much 2 weeks. But yeah, hope you guys enjoy this video. Let me know if there's any issues that you guys have with the app. I can try and help you out. Let me know what your guys' status is, and catch you guys in the next video. Later, guys.